Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Well, it looks good. It's all about the taste. Oh. The yolk is perfect. Could it be good? We're gonna find out. Your mouth just doesn't know what to think about. You got the peanut butter, they're like, okay, peanut butter sandwich. You got the tuna, go, oh, tuna. See if we can get something of everything. Oh, that's a good look at that one. The olive, creamy eggs, creamy cheese. Wow. Chicken sandwich. I tasted the pickle. Here it is. The mayo, mustard and pickle. Here's a bite. Oh. First of all, that wine burnt off. The sauce is delicious. That olive was gorgeous. Look at it. You could tell there's pasta there. That's delicious. Take a look at, compare it to me. Here, I'm gonna put it like this. This is gonna be the thumbnail. All right. I'm gonna have to eat this with a fork and knife. You ready? This is Mike Eats the Street. We're at Gina's Pizza in downtown Laguna Beach. Okay. Mushrooms, black olives, and meatball. See the meatball right there? Okay, it's nice and hot. Here we go. Oh, the cheese is melted perfectly. Here's the first bite. Ooh. It's hot. Oh, that's hot. Know what punches you in the face first? That cumin. I love cumin. So if you like it, do it like that. With the olives and the chickpeas. Oh my gosh, how do you eat this thing? Just like this. You ready? Big bite? Oh. This is a half-pound fatburger. Creamy eggs and cheese. Oh my goodness, look at this bite. Here we go. I taste the mayonnaise. Ready? Smells good. Hot. I can't wait for a big bite. See if it's classic. Ooh. It's classically hot, that's for sure. Now, as I like to say, it's going to be in me. O-M. God. Check all those videos out at my YouTube channel at livelife365.com. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
That's why I got my own YouTube channel. See, this one wants to break, I could tell. That was Sally, by the way. I need to ask a question. Is that ridiculous? Look at that thing. Sliceroo. Oh, goodness. That's too low. Oh. After, baby. Here's Dave's organic bread, sprouted, whole grains, 3 grams of fiber, 2 grams of protein, 16 grams of whole grains, omega-3s. The only thing healthy in this actually, eggs are healthy. I have videos on why you should eat eggs. Lean bacon in moderation ain't bad for you. Cheese, butter, and mayo? I don't think so. Subscribe. Tell people. How about Foster, sweet babu? Golf. No one cares.